heartbeat starts believing there's a place we all can go. Luxury beneath the palm trees, summer dancing through the air. Every smile becomes a memory right here in Casino Square. Feel the rhythm getting stronger, every light begins to shine. Every step becomes a promise, tonight the stars align. Raise your glasses, hear the laughter, every dream is coming after. Casino Square, where the city comes alive. Golden nights and endless stories, keeping dreams alive. Casino Square, every light becomes a flame, every heartbeat keeps on dancing, calling out your name. Ferraris rolling down the avenue, reflections painted gold. Fashion walking through the evening, stories waiting to unfold. Ocean whispers in the distance, music floating through the night. Every corner tells a secret, every window shines so bright. Take another step beside me, leave tomorrow far behind. Every road becomes an answer, every dream is yours and mine. Hear the rhythm, feel the heartbeat, let the music set you free. Casino Square, Casino Square, Casino Square, crystal chandeliers are glowing, champagne sparkling in the air. Every face becomes a portrait, living life without a care. Midnight slowly keeps unfolding. Time is something we can't hold. Every second feels eternal, every heartbeat turns to gold. Higher, closer, stronger, together. Feel the rhythm, feel the fire. When the skyline starts reflecting across the Mediterranean Sea, every light becomes a mirror, showing who we're meant to be. Tonight we're writing new tomorrows, every melody takes flight. Nothing feels impossible inside this perfect night. Casino Square, oh, where the city comes alive. Golden nights and endless stories, keeping dreams alive. Casino Square, every light becomes a flame, every heartbeat keeps on dancing, calling out your name. Oh, Casino Square, every road will lead us home to the heart of Monaco, where we'll never be alone. Casino Square, feel the music in the air, every dream begins forever inside Casino Square. Come alive, shining brighter, come alive. Morning waits beyond the mountains, still the night is ours to keep. Every melody keeps turning, running beautifully and deep. Every dream has found a home here, every road has led us there. Every heart keeps beating stronger inside Casino Square. One more dance, one Casino Square, come alive. Casino Square, feel the moment, come alive. Shine bright. Golden lights begin to glow. Every face begins to show. Velvet nights and crystal skies, magic in our eyes. Every heartbeat feels so near. Champagne whispers in my ear. Every dream is shining bright through the night. Pure delight. Casino Monte-Carlo, golden light. Every moment feels so right. Luxury after dark. Casino Monte-Carlo leaves its mark. Silken streets beneath the moon. Morning never comes too soon. Every smile becomes a spark, dancing through the dark. Every heartbeat finds its way, turning night into the day. Nothing here will fade away, just tonight, endless light. Casino Monte-Carlo, shining bright. Every heartbeat feels alive. One more dance, one more smile. Casino Monte-Carlo, stay a while. Casino Monte-Carlo, guide me home. Golden nights, forever known. Casino Monte-Carlo. Some soft reflections on the sea. Monaco is calling me. Underneath the harbour lights, silver waves and velvet nights. Every yacht a silent dream, dance whispers carried through the trees. City lights begin to shine like a glass of vintage wine. Every ripple tells a tale, every heartbeat sets the sail. Nothing here is rushing by, only stars across the sky. Stay with me where the ocean meets the light. Every wave remembers us in the silence of the night. Harbor glow shining on the sea tonight. Golden dreams beneath the waves. Everything feels right. Harbor glow, take my hand and stay a while. Every light upon the water wears a quiet smile. Harbor glow, Monaco. The lights remain, the music goes on. Golden reflections on the harbor tonight. The city awakens in velvet light. Casino windows shimmer in gold. Stories of summer waiting to unfold. Yachts in silence beneath the stars. Dreams arriving in elegant cars under chandeliers of moon and mist. Hearts trade glances, never resist. Monaco lights shining so bright, dancing on the water through the night. Hold me close where the sirens sing. Let the night give us everything. Champagne whispers on marble floors. Secret laughter behind gilded doors. Tires hum soft like a slow lullaby. Neon promises passing by under chandeliers of moon and mist. Hearts trade glances, never resist. City lights begin to shine. Every heartbeat falls in line. Ocean mirrors every glow. Only midnight seems to know. Leave the daylight far behind. Only silence fills my mind. Every road feels made for me. Just the stars, just the sea. Midnight coast, take me home. Every light feels like gold. Ocean breeze, soft and slow. Midnight coast, never go. Windows open to the night. Everything just feels so right. Gentle waves beside the road, carrying a lighter soul. Every mile becomes a dream. Nothing's ever as it seems. Hold this moment, hold it close, like the tide only flows. Midnight coast, stay with me. Every shadow sets me free. One last turn, one last glow. Midnight coast, take me home. Midnight coast, midnight coast. One last light, ocean whisper through the night. Midnight coast. Midnight coast. Golden lights upon the square, magic floating through the crystal evening softly glow, where the Monte breezes flow. Champagne dreams and velvet skies, moonlight dancing in your eyes. Every heartbeat takes its chance. Every moment starts the dance. Casino reflections shining through the night. Golden conversations, everything feels right. Casino reflections, diamonds in the air. Every light is telling stories only square, magic floating through the air. Whisper of sails against moonlight, warm roads humming under my skin. Velvet lobby, marble and glow, silver tray where the slow pours flow. He smiles like a postcard, a promise undone. Neon reflections on the hotel sun. Sea breeze writes names on my skin. Lace and laughter pull me in. Disco heartbeat under the floor. We drift where the night wants more. Riviera Nights, champagne tide. We dance on the edge where secrets hide. Riviera Nights, silk and light. Hold me close beneath the ocean bright. Yacht club whispers, timber and brass. Footsteps easy on the polished glass. Your hand finds mine like a lighthouse call. Horizon melting, surrendering all. Low moon keeps time with the rose. City of stars in a soft repose. Baseline walking like a lover's stride. Your shadow warm in my side. Riviera Nights, champagne tide. We dance on the edge where secrets hide. Riviera Nights, silk and light. Hold me close beneath the ocean bright. Salt on my lips and the scent of clementine. The world in slow motion, your breath on mine. Silvered water, the skyline sighs. We trade our names for alibis. Warm keys, soft as a midnight vow. Whisper chanson in the back of the crowd. One more toast to the way we forgive. For tonight, let us live. Riviera Nights, champagne tide. We dance on the edge where secrets hide. Riviera Nights, silk and light. Hold me close beneath the ocean bright. Whisper of sails against moonlight. Warm roads humming under my skin. Blue begins where daylight fades. Silver dancing on the waves. Quiet voices, evening air. golden moments everywhere, windows glowing on the shore, calling softly evermore. Every color gently flows where the endless evening grows. Every heartbeat slows again, every shadow learns to dance. Time is drifting with the tide, everything is still alive. Blue hour, holding every dream tonight. Blue hour, wrapped in fading golden light. Stay a little longer, let the moment carry on. Blue hour, until the night is born. Harbor lights begin to shine, drawing gentle silver lines. Every street a work of art, every rhythm warms the heart. Nothing asked for yesterday, everything belongs today. Every breeze across the sea feels like home to you and me. Every heartbeat slows again, every shadow learns to dance. Time is drifting with the tide, everything is still alive. Blue hour, holding every dream tonight. Blue hour, wrapped in fading golden light. Stay a little longer, let the moment carry on. Blue hour, until the night is born. Every sunset leaves a trace, every memory finds its place. When the stars begin to rise, hope is shining in our eyes. Every ending starts anew, every sky becomes more blue. Nothing here is standing still, only dreams beyond the hill. Blue hour, every light becomes a story. Blue hour, every heartbeat wrapped in glory. water under silver skies, harbour lights dancing in your eyes. Midnight Marina wrapped in gold, stories waiting to be told. Yachts asleep beneath the moon, the night begins its quiet tune. Soft reflections on the sea, every light a memory, whispers drifting through the air like a secret we both share. Velvet Marina, hold me tonight, floating on a river of light. Velvet Marina, heart set free, lost in the glow beside the sea. Champagne glasses catching stars, dreams arriving, elegant cars, the harbour breeze, a gentle sigh as silhouettes are passing by. Moonlit echoes slow and deep, promises the water keeps, every wave a sweet refrain, calling us to dream again. Velvet Marina, hold me tonight, floating on a river of light. Velvet Marina, heart set free, lost in the glow beside the sea. Golden reflections fade and flow, only the harbour seems to know how a moment can remain like summer after summer rain. Velvet water under silver skies, harbour lights dancing in your eyes. Golden reflections dancing on the sea, city lights are calling quietly, every heartbeat moving with the tide, holding on to moments we can't hide. Summer whispers floating through the air, every smile says we should still be here. Nothing waiting on the other side, tonight is ours beneath the velvet sky. Every second feels like gold, every story still unfolds. Don't let this beautiful night disappear. One more minute, one more light, stay beside me through the Monaco night. One more heartbeat, one more smile, let this feeling stay with us a while. One more memory, ocean mirrors every passing star. Every wish has brought us where we are. Windows glowing high above the shore makes me want this evening even more. Soft reflection shining in your eyes, every color painted through the skies. Music drifting gently through the night. Everything around us feels so right. Every wave keeps rolling on. Every shadow soon is gone. Let's make forever out of one more song. One more minute, one more light. Stay beside me through the Monaco night. One more heartbeat, one more smile. Let this feeling stay with us a while. One more memory, one more dream. Nothing's ever quite the way it seems. One more minute, don't let go. There's still so much left for us to know. Every street still full of golden light. Every window tells a different life. Footsteps echo softly through the air, like the evening knows we're still somewhere. No tomorrow waiting in our minds. Leave the ordinary far behind. Every heartbeat finds another way, making us believe this night will stay. Hear the voices softly call, like the stars above.